Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we are going to walk through the process of replacing the sensors in a Conga 7490 robotic vacuum. This guide will help you perform the task safely and effectively. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off the device and unplug it from the charging station. This is crucial for your safety. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the bottom of the device. There are typically 4 screws securing the cover. Make sure to place these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once you have removed the screws, gently lift the cover off the Conga 7490. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the cover. If you're unsure about handling these, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can be a great help. Next, locate the sensors. The Conga 7490 generally has a pair of infrared sensors situated at the front and side. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the old sensors. Take your time with this step to prevent any damage to the surrounding components. Now, before installing the new sensors, it's a good idea to clean the area around the sensor mounts. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure that the new sensors function optimally. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport or travel. After cleaning, take the new sensors and align them with the mounts. Press them into place until you hear a click. This indicates they are securely attached. Next, replace the cover of the vacuum, ensuring all wires are tucked away neatly and not pinched. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. If you are unsure about any of the steps, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Our service includes a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Once you have reassembled your Conga 7490, plug it back into the charging station and turn it on. Run a test cycle to ensure that the new sensors are functioning correctly. Watch for any irregularities in the vacuum's behavior, as this could indicate a need for further adjustment or repair. If you encounter any issues or prefer professional assistance, remember that we provide services that include no calls and no travel, making it convenient for you to get the help you need. Your Conga 7490 is an investment, and maintaining it properly will prolong its life and performance. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the sensors on your Conga 7490. Thank you for watching, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.